Hello beautiful people, so today I'll be showing you how to make a facial with Maca powder. It's very simple and it's very amazing. So for this you're going to need a facial cleanser, you're going to need some cotton pads, you're going to need some water, an empty bowl for mixing, a sponge or a comb for your hair, and a brush as well. And of course, last but not the least, the Maca powder itself. Maca powder is really amazing for your skin. It's got amazing things that it does for your skin, your hair, and for your body. It helps to exfoliate, it helps to heal acne. It also helps to heal dark circles and inflammation around your face and your eyes. So what you want to do with this is you want to mix it. Let me just tell you guys a bit about Maca powder. It's very popular in India. It's imported into Nigeria by various people. You can get it locally. And what you want to do is put it in a bowl, put some water and mix it. I'm using a brush because it doesn't mix well. And so you need to mix and mash at the same time. What I usually do is I mix it and I leave it to sit for about a minute before I go ahead and apply. So like I was saying, Maca powder comes in two different colors. It comes in red, it comes in blue, it comes in red and it comes in green. Red being the fresher ones and green being the dry ones like I am using in this video. So you want to just cleanse your face and make sure there are no impurities and every makeup is gone, and you want to go ahead and use some warm water to open up your pores. I did this off camera. And once that is done, you're satisfied, you can go ahead and just apply the mixture to your face. I'm using a mixture of water and Maca powder, very simple. But some people like to go ahead to mix this with apple cider vinegar. I'm not particularly keen on apple cider vinegar, so I'll just make it as simple as possible. Back to the amazing things that Maca powder does for you while I apply. It's good for your skin, it's good for your hair. I usually use this mostly during my menstrual cycle for a number of reasons. One being that it helps me get rid of acne. I usually get one or two stubborn ones around my chin when I am going to be on my period or during my period. It also helps with menstrual cramps. I have tried over the years to use less aspirin and painkillers generally. So I find that this is really good for cramps. It helps relieve you of cramps. You just take a teaspoon, put it in your mouth, put the powder in your mouth and you drink some water. You can also mix it into the water before drinking. I just find it easier to take the powder first before drinking. And then you can also apply this. You can also add Maca powder to your smoothies, to your juices. It's absolutely delicious. It's not the most delicious ingredient in the juice, but it's amazing. It gives you energy, and I've also read online that it helps your booty grow. I don't know about that. It hasn't worked for me. And as you can see in this video, I'm also applying this to my hair because it helps your hair grow. It helps to strengthen your follicles as well, and it's been amazing. I recently cut my hair because I wanted to regrow all again, so I will be adding some Maca powder judiciously to my routine, even though in the past I used to use it but not often. Basically what you want to do is after adding that, you brush it in. So I'm just going to allow it to spread evenly across my head and my scalp. And like I said, there are many things you can use this powder for. You can research it online. It helps with energy, it helps with your body. You're going to have to wait for 20 to 25 minutes for it to dry, and then once it's dried, as you can see, it's ready to go and you can just rinse it off. My face is really tight in this video and I just look absolutely ridiculous, but it's doing amazing things for your skin. You start to see results in as little as 4 or 5 hours. It will literally dry up any acne around your face, which is amazing. So yes guys, rinse it off and feel amazing. Thank you very much guys for watching, and do have a fantastic day. Bye.